Good morning everyone. There is a new coding assistant in town called as an Augment Code. Thought I will make a quick video to show you the power of this amazing platform that is there. So if you can see this Augment Code, this is a coding agent it has introduced recently which does all the work for you, very similar to the cursor and the different platforms that are there. So this is just one option which is available in VS Code as a plugin. As you can see, it does all the work for you. You ask it a specific thing, the Augment Chat, it not only creates the file but it also does all the uh, steps that you need to do to run this particular thing. It does that very well. So we will looking at directly into it. It is supposedly very good for coding compared to the different bench verified benchmarks that are there. So let us try to work with it. So go to VS Code. How to get it? If you go to VS Code, there is an extension. You can go to an extension here and you can search for the extension Augment, and you can install it. I've already installed it. Once you install it, you need to do a free sign in and you are ready to go. So first thing what I'm going to do is I am going to close everything and start from fresh. So this is my VS Code is here. So what I'm going to do is, and I've already done a demo, we'll do it from scratch. I've used my local DeepSeek R1 1.5B model, and I am building a simple coding assistant application in Streamlit, and I have created a folder here. So the application looks something like this. So I have just run the Streamlit application. Let me just run it again in front of you. So this is the, yeah, so this is the application coding companion, and you can see the speed of it. It is giving you the prompt. So you mention write me a code for making Fibonacci series, and it is going to do it. It is thinking, so it is using the DeepSeek model, and it is doing its magic. And everything was built with without writing a single line of code, by just prompting. So it is running and it is going to give an amazing wonderful job that is there. First it think for some time, and then it gave a complete example and with all the steps that are there. So now we will try to build it from scratch. So now I just want to close this. I'll just do a control D. Okay, so I just closed it off. So this is unreachable. Now I will directly go to VS Code. Step by step we will do it. Go to VS Code. So before going to VS Code, we will go and make a folder. In projects, we will create one new folder called as Augment new 28.4. So today is 28.4. So I am going to do this. Then I'm going to go to our VS Code. I'm going to open a new project. So this is so I don't want to do this. So I'm going to open a new folder called Augment new. And once we have this, you will see this option. So this is Augment new here. Then I will open Augment here, Augment agent. So now you can see inside Augment new 284, I am here. Ask or instruct Augment, and there is an option for chat, and I am going to start working with this. So chat option is there. I want agent. Require approval for some tools, auto run or all tools. So I will just do agent. So better to take approval. So now I'm using the agent feature so that it is going to help me do the stuffs that are there as well. So create a code assistant chatbot uh, using Olama. So you need to mention, so making sure that Olama is running, so you need to do this particular thing. Olama DeepSeek R1 in your local and front-end Streamlit app, create separate app.py and requirement file so that it is structured. So now let us see how it works. So now I'm using the agent. Let's see how it does. In the last one I did not use agent, I just used chat, but now I am just made it agent, and you will see the steps. So not only it is giving you the context, it is searching also in the web. It is doing all the work for us, if you can see. So this is a very good way of looking at things, understanding how things are happening. And not only it is because Olama and all these things are very new, it may not be available in ChatGPT. So can you, if you see, can you see it is creating a file app.py requirement.txt. So it is already created the file as I speak. If I go to the folder, if I go here, you will see already this file created here. App.py is getting created. So can you see it is creating app.py file. So not only does it give you suggestions, but it creates the file for you in the folder. So this was happening before in Cursor, separately in Cursor or other platform, but now this is inbuilt in Visual Studio Code. You are able to do all those things. So not only it creates the file, but it also gives you the how you have to run it step by step. See, first you need to make sure that your Olama is running. So I did that. I did Olama run, so everything is running fine. Then I need to make sure I do pip install minus requirement. So I will copy this. Then I first it is mentioning go to terminal. So first I will go to my folder. Then I will open app.py and requirement.txt. These are the things that are there. Then I go to run new terminal. Then I go here to pip install minus our requirement. So it is installing everything. Then I will go to the augment. It is giving me step by step. If you, even if you don't know all these things, uh, it is going to tell you what all you need to do. So now I will just clean this up for the users to know how it is working, and then control V, and the magic is done. So we have our app running. uh, how to create password function. So basic question. So it is the code resistance using Olama DeepSeek. Make sure Olama is running. It is thinking, and it did something, and it gave me a very basic code how to generate a password code. So this is something that is amazing for Olama, that you want to play around with it. You can click augment. You can see, you can play around with it. You can change. You can do keep all. You do all the changes that are there. So this is something that is very interesting. Then there is augment settings. You can look at your settings. So you are using an unlimited early access plan. So you have a lot of things. You can connect it to your GitHub. So you can connect it to your GitHub as well, and you can use that to look into different platforms of your. So you can connect it to your thing that is there. So this is also very useful. So I'm just authenticating my GitHub as I speak, so that I can show you the power of this as well. So now I have need to log into our Augment Code, and just to double authenticate whether I am looking into this thing. Switching on to Augment dashboard. All set. Now GitHub is also integrated. So GitHub is integrated. You can integrate Notion and everything that is there, and a lot of the other things are there. You want to look at the chat. You can look at the previous chat of this, what all has happened. Would you like me to make any adjustment? Feature of the chat bot, local host. So these are some things that are very interesting. So play around with this. Augment is good. Let us not sure about the pricing as of now. We are using an unlimited free version, but let us see when it becomes after the 14-day trial. Then is it worth paying? Let us see how it goes. But it is a good alternative, faster, and you don't need to move out from VS Code. Thank you, and see you in the next video.